Zero tolerance. Zero tolerance.
I beg you.
Zero tolerance. I'm sorry. The state of Florida doesn't give us leniency, okay? So, I'm sorry. Outside, so that's where I'm about to go.
Okay. You have your ID with you before you do all that?
I gotta go. Yes, sir.
Well, I'm stable for a bit.
Hey,
I'll help you with it.
did you see what happened?
I'll help you with that.
What happened?
What? She was the aggravator.
Did you see what happened?
Yeah,
What
she was aggravated. They were arguing about whatnot with the flight missing, but she kept on pushing him, bouncing him. He kept on walking away. They were like back and forth, and then I guess he said something to her and she didn't like, and she hit him. You understand me? So he hit her back. You understand? Then they started tussling and he dragged her away. Hey, I don't have my ID on me. Now witness. You guys can look. She's the aggravator.
So when did it happen? But she started it. She pushed him first?
Yeah, she pushed him first. She's the aggravator.
Do you know the person, first of all?
Yes, that's literally my boyfriend, bro.
Where is he? Where?
Yeah, it's like, please get him, because he's trying to walk up like this shit. So,
All right,
we got him.
Can I have your ID first?
Yeah, I'm glad to tell what happened. He's a weirdo, bro.
How long you been with him?
13 years.
That's surprising.
You have children together?
We literally, so we got here a little late, but we still had time to make our flight. My bag went through the...
Who's the primary?
I'm not going to talk to nobody listening.
Hold on. So what happened?
So we got here a little late, but we still had time to make our flight. So we going through the TSA. My bag had already came through, but I guess their conveyor belt was messing up. And somebody else I guess, I don't know what was going on with their bag, but she took my bag off the conveyor belt and put it back down at the end. And I started getting mad. I kept telling them, I said, I have a flight to catch. Why is my bag going down? I had nothing in my bag that needed to be checked or anything. It's because the conveyor belt was messed up. They literally had to keep getting on the conveyor belt to take the bags out.
Okay.
So I'm telling them that I need my bag because I'm about to miss my flight. And they wasn't listening to me. They literally was about to put me out the fucking... Can I just get my...
What are the
I feel like
Terminal
you're not
4 guys on?
It's petty as f***. He's drunk and he's been hostile.
Okay, but you can't touch people. And there's a person who does not know you from the hole in the wall that saw you walk up behind him and just pop him. I don't know what goes on in Detroit, but here, that's a no.
I understand. I promise you, I'm not like that.
Okay,
I don't know.
today you were, and that's why we're here. If you kept your hands to yourself, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
I feel like nobody, I get what I did wrong, but I feel like nobody is trying to hear me out. Like, he started disrespecting me and I didn't do nothing fucking wrong. He tried to blame me for missing the fucking flight.
Okay, walk away.
And really disrespect me, and I get you on that, and I'm not just trying to...
You got his ID?
Yeah, I got his ID. It's literally... I don't know if she told you her background stuff.
She is the agitator.
Is she?
He hit her, but
Who hit her?
she saw it. She pushed him, hit him first, and then he hit her back.
She hit her.
Not her. That's the witness right here.
Checkpoint 4, please.
She saw it?
Yeah, she hit him first.
She walked up behind him and just popped him in the back of the head.
Huh?
She just walked up behind him.
Yeah, she started it.
And she was still swinging on him. I had to put her off of him and push her to make her sit down. Because she was still going. She was like, nah, fuck this shit. And I'm like, ma'am, just please have a seat.
And that's the thing, talking about he chill, he good, he's not. He's the hostile. around to put my hands on him. I promised the guy I would totally admit that. But he really pushed me back because he started getting disrespectful. I promised the guy I was
Popped him a couple of times and then
Hey, look, I already got a witness. So she started the whole thing, right?
Obviously.
She started pushing you. And,
Yeah. The thing is with women, they don't.
I heard
they
you
wanna,
clocked her too, but she clocked you first, right?
The thing is with women, they want to handle things aggressively. Okay, if your bag is stuck, we obviously gonna get our refund back. So I'm talking to the security guard. Yeah, I carried the bag stuck. No, let me tell you how I went. We don't need to say all that. You understand it? We understand. All right, I'm walking away. So I come here. This happened over there. She come over here. So what's up? You want to talk to me in front of the officer? Like, listen, let's just get our money back. We already missed our flight. Your bag got stuck. No, I want to compliment. I want to. Hey man, like I'm
What
not.
happened with her?
She got agitated.
Spirit. What happened? So
She was aggressive because she felt like I disrespected her friend, the security guards, by saying just be quiet. Women don't like to be quiet, but this is authority. If they're gonna help us, we need to shut up and explain. Not, oh, that bast's good. They better give us our money back. Like,
was your fault to miss the flight? Or?
hold on a minute.
You guys missed the flight.
I was here. I had to run back and get her because her bag got stuck in TSA. They said, hey, it's our fault, our fault. We don't have to handle it. I'm telling her, good, we are good. Like, let's just, oh no, they gotta give us our money back. Obviously. You know what I'm saying? Just relax. If they clear, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing
If I would have talked to Spirit, I probably would have done something.
I know that, but that's the
Where you
security
guys
guard.
flying to? What city?
Detroit. But the security
I
guard
think I
said
only
that.
1 or 2 flights today, so you would have been stranded here anyway tonight.
No,
But they'll probably rebook you for that.
We
They'll
can go
rebook you
tomorrow.
for.
And that's what I was saying. I say, chill out. We got family here. Go tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they
They
gonna
got me
get.
arrested, bro. They taking me to jail.
How did I get you
Yeah,
arrested?
they taking me to jail, bro, because you want to hear me
Bro.
out. I'm not gonna put my hands on, but you know
It's
I'm
a million
not
people
like
in here.
Where did this all
It
happen?
don't matter.
Yeah.
You
Where
know
did that
I
happen?
didn't mean
yeah, like
that.
right here.
Where did you call? Right here.
Right here. I'm telling you exactly
Yeah,
what happened.
Peña's
I don't
here.
want her to go to jail. But women, they leave with their emotions.
This is state of Florida. You have boyfriend?
Yes,
For how long?
15 years.
Okay, so a real relationship.
Yes.
15 years. So it's called domestic violence. Okay. So obviously you don't want to do nothing. State of Florida is pressing charges. Here it is. You touch somebody here, you a couple. That's it. You understand? So Peña's talking to Peña's here.
With him, I kept trying to explain to him, yes, I said it's not my fault. They held my bag. Like, it's not my fault that I missed my bag. The police literally came up there to me while I was trying to get my bag. He told me we're gonna have to put you out because you being hostile. And I said, only reason why I'm being hostile is because they literally, my bag came out and they literally grabbed my bag and put it back on the conveyor belt. And then making me miss my flight, and I kept trying to explain that to them. The security guards can literally tell you that down there. I was hostile because I'm like, I'm about to miss my flight because y'all machines messing up and y'all had to put my bag back on there. And then he come down there yelling at me, talking to me smart. I don't give a fuck. Shut the fuck up. You need to figure out what the fuck you gonna do. Blah, blah, blah. And that's why I got hostile and mad. Now he trying to act all civilized like he didn't do that. And I will admit, as a woman, I am wrong. I should never put my hands on him. I shouldn't. But he really pushed me tough because I'm already frustrated that I missed the flight because they held my bags. And now you coming at me to run. You're not even trying to hear me out and see what's wrong.
But
Like, you
I'm gonna break it down to you, okay? You are gonna get arrested, okay? Because unfortunately, right now here in Broward, we're not tolerating any kind of domestic.
Am I going to jail?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Even if he don't press charges?
No, it doesn't matter. With a domestic, he doesn't have to press charges. So, I want you to tell me which of your property you want to leave with him. If you want to leave
Please don't
any.
take me to jail. You got me arrested, bro. They taking me to jail.
Florida Statute Section 41.29, subsection 3 is the controlling law. When probable cause exists for a dating or domestic violence battery, the officer shall arrest. Shall being mandatory, not permissive. No discretion, no exceptions. The victim's preference is legally irrelevant to that decision. The applicable statute is Section 784.46, dating violence, not the domestic violence provision, Section 741.28. Section 741.28 requires cohabitation. Section 74.046 does not. It requires only a continuing and significant romantic relationship. A 13-year partnership satisfies every element of that test. Probable cause rests on 2 independent witnesses and the subject's spontaneous on-camera admission. Made before custody was established, fully admissible under Miranda v. Arizona. Miranda warnings attached to custodial interrogation, not voluntary pre-arrest statements. Under the totality of circumstances standard in Illinois v. Gates, this is overwhelming probable cause. Battery under Section 7A4.03 is a first-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year county jail and a $1,000 fine. A dating violence conviction additionally triggers mandatory batterer's intervention programming under Florida Statute 741-2901.
I'm not even
listen to me. This is what I want you to do, okay? I'm gonna need you to take off your jewelry, everything, your purse, everything. There's no way around it. Let me get your purse.
How long am I gonna be in there?
I don't know. I mean, maybe you could be. They could probably let you out tomorrow.
Oh my God, bro!
Hey, is your ID in here?
I have it.
Purse has got it.
Take off your necklace for me. And anything like this around your waist, take it off. You can leave your jacket on till we get over there.
Oh my God, never in my life. Please don't take me. Please.
There's nothing I can do.
I beg you, please.
There's nothing I can do.
It is, please. I beg you, please don't take me. I cannot go to jail.
Somebody has to go, and the aggressor has to go, and you were the aggressor.
Oh my God.
Take off your necklace for me.
You want to keep a luggage or what?
So what's going on? I didn't want to go to jail.
I explained to you. The state of Florida is pressing charge. Here's the thing. If you don't show up or you don't want to do nothing, it's probably at the end of the day it's going to be dismissed. But here, we don't play around. You a couple, she hit you, it's on camera, the witnesses, she's got to go to jail for domestic battery. She'll be out. And then if you don't show up to court, it's all going to be dismissed, but this is the problem.
Please,
come on, hurry up. Take it off.
Please don't take me to jail. I beg y'all. I cannot have to work and everything. Please, I beg y'all. I did not mean to put my hands on you, please.
It doesn't matter. At this point, once you put your hand on him, that's it.
That's my man. Like, I didn't mean to, y'all. Please.
Just do that. Just take off your necklace so I don't have to take it off.
Please don't take me to jail.
Right, then turn around.
My God.
Put your hands like you're praying.
Please don't take me to jail. I cannot.
Our hands are tied when it's a domestic related issue.
It's not a domestic thing.
That's your
Yes,
boyfriend.
because you guys live together.
We don't. Please don't take me to jail. I didn't even hear him.
You already told me that you guys live together.
You said you didn't hit him, and then you said you only hit him once.
But it wasn't like that. He could tell you, please. I beg you, please. I cannot go to jail. I got school. I got work. I cannot. Please have some leniency on me, please. I beg y'all. Please. We would go our separate ways. I would stay at a hotel. Please, I beg y'all. Please have some leniency on me. I never had no felonies.
Let me explain something, okay? And I'm just going to explain this one time. In the state of Florida, we have domestic violence laws, okay? You obviously struck something. You hit someone. We have plenty of witnesses. We have cameras. You hit them. It's non-negotiable. That's it. You put your hands on someone, you go to jail. It's just we can't do it anymore. So that's the end of it. We don't want to have to take people to jail, but we do. And it's it. He doesn't want to press charges. Your boyfriend doesn't want to press charges. The state of Florida is pressing charges on you, okay?
Yes,
so it's not something that we want to do. You should have made that choice when you put your hands and start hitting people, okay? And unfortunately, you did it in there. Unfortunately, you did it in an airport where there's hundreds of people watching. There's cameras everywhere, okay?
Airports do have CCTV cameras, and these are not the gas station cameras that look pixelated. These are 4K Ultra HD cameras that actually could track anyone in the airport just to pinpoint exactly where they are in case there's an incident.
So
I'm gonna
it's something that we made a decision to put our hands on our boyfriend. Now we got to live with it, okay? It's nothing. There's nothing one can do.
I'm gonna
There
lose
is
my job.
nothing we can do.
It is, please. I don't have no
Zero tolerance.
or anything.
Zero tolerance.
I beg you.
Zero tolerance. I'm sorry. The state of Florida doesn't give us leniency, okay? So,
The officers receive a B+. The mandatory arrest was legally correct. Primary aggressor determination was conducted through independent witness interviews. Before the arrest decision was communicated to the parties, correct protocol when the battery was not directly witnessed. Force was limited to handcuffing a verbally compliant subject, consistent with Graham v. Connor's objective reasonableness standard. Deductions, geographic editorializing, visible levity during transport, and one statutory imprecision, framing the cohabitation element under Section 741.28 rather than the correctly applied Section 784.046. The arrest was right, the statutory framing was imprecise. The subject receives a D. Battery committed in a fully surveilled public terminal, multiple independent witnesses. Spontaneous, incriminating admissions on Bodycam. No understanding that in Florida, the state, not the victim, controls whether prosecution proceeds. No exercise of the Fifth Amendment right to silence. That right is not optional after a physical altercation.
I'm sorry. I'm explaining it to you. Is that her phone?
Yeah. We're gonna give him all of the other stuff. I'm just gonna sit down. Sit down.
So you don't want to press charges?
No, not at all. I didn't think it would even get this far. It was a miscommunication. I guess it's a lesson learned. You can't do this stuff.
That's his phone number?
Papi, you got this, right?
Yeah.
Hey, these fucking guys in the 67.
Yeah,
No, I don't know.
They cleared.
Oh,
I saw them cleared.
well, I wasn't a 13 inch and I cleared. I left it over
I know,
there.
but Garrison is cleared.
It is what it is.
I thought he doesn't want to press charges. He doesn't want to do anything.
I'm sure.
You know.
The only one said the last ones I did, they didn't go anywhere.
You got his information?
Yeah, he gave you the ID, right?
Okay, this is his.
This is his.
Okay.
And he's going to stay at the Hard Rock. Just,
It wasn't my fault.
Come on, I gotta pat
I
you down.
can't believe you did this to me, bro.
He did not do anything.
he doesn't even want to press charges.
He doesn't want to press charges. He didn't do anything. We
I
are.
gotta pat you down. Okay?
Your boyfriend doesn't want to press charges.
Yeah, of course.
Right.
I'm the one going to jail.
Right. Well,
Take the belly.
And I believe this. I would never forgive you for it. I would never forgive him for this. I would never.
Just kick it down. Kick your foot.
I would never forgive you for this. I would never. And I sit down. I thought to like it. I've never been to jail before.
What happened?
I can't believe I'm in this situation. I can't. I'm sorry.
Let's go. Take it to the car.
Never
Yeah, let's go.
forget you.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, mama.
I would never forgive you.
Hey, Mark.
3 takeaways from this encounter. First, the state charges and prosecutes in Florida. A victim's refusal to cooperate does not stop a mandatory arrest. Second, Section 784A46 requires no cohabitation. A long-term romantic relationship alone is legally sufficient. Third, any voluntary statement made before formal custodial arrest is admissible without Miranda warnings. Consult an attorney before speaking. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.